Hi guys, this is Paolo from Right Padding, and today I'm going to show you how whitelist IP address on your GoDaddy hosting. So let's get ahead and started. Uh, First and foremost, you need to go to your account and then My Products, and then just go ahead and scroll down, might load below here, and then on the website security backups, you can hit Manage All, or you can drop it down and select the manage. So here on my end, there's only one, so I'll hit manage. Then on this screen right here, you need to click the firewall CDN, the check under it. So click that one up, and it will open up another tab on your browser. Then let's just wait for this to load. So after this, you need to go to settings and then access control. Here on the allow IP addresses, this is where you add the IP address to whitelist. So here, this is one of 8 hrefs IP address. So allow it there. Uh, You have now successfully added the IP address. So that's just how easy it is to whitelist an IP address on GoDaddy. So if you have any questions, just feel free to comment down below. Thanks, guys.